Owning rental properties can be very rewarding. Being the landlord and having to deal with day-to-day tenant issues, not so much. It takes an incredible amount of time to list the property, show the property, again, and again. And then there's screening the applicants. So many applicants. While trying to avoid extended vacancies, which means lost revenue. And how about those late-night repair calls? Time for a change. Turn over the landlord work to us. We're Advanced Solutions Property Management, and we're here to deliver peace of mind. Strict adherence to our proven processes and procedures enables us to efficiently manage your property. From screening tenants, verifying their income and rental history, to those always important background checks, we've got your back. We find great tenants and sign them to a rock-solid lease. We handle all the legal stuff too, like risk management and compliance issues. We take care of service calls fast, keeping tenants happy and your expenses under control. And we'll handle the smooth processing of rent payments right into your bank account, while minimizing delays. And we stay on top of market conditions in order to help maximize your return on investment. You can rest easy knowing that we're taking care of all those landlord things, so you can focus on those property owner things. Contact us today. Advanced Solutions Property Management, helping property owners exceed their real estate investing goals since 2011.